said you didn't care about the weather anyhow. I know that you prefer it sunny. Well, I like the time we spent inside your room with the lights off. You wrapped me in a warm sheet, then you took my clothes off. I took your clothes off. Well, I wish you'd have thought about this a bit sooner than you did, 'cause now my heart is on the floor. Heart is on the floor. But I know you had the best intentions. You're so sweet, and that's what makes this hard for me. That's what makes this hard for me. That's what makes this hard for me. Yeah, yeah. It's 4 a.m. and I cannot fall asleep, 'cause I am staring out my window, thinking of how you let me go. And time passes by, but I wish the clock would speed up. Yeah.
Make myself and even softer.
Take your place in mine. Grandma don't like liquor, bless her heart. So we'll drink one thing, this motel room upon Pearson Lane. Never thought I'd miss that sacred hour.
Okay.
Yeah, probably why